So right now this is just the headlight, and this is Aozoom, low beam, high beam, and this is with the fog lamp now. Headlight off, just the fog lamp. Performance is great, visibility is good. Even with oncoming traffic, my visibility is not hampered. I am able to see the road clearly. This is right now in low beam with fog lamp. I'll turn off the headlight now, and this is just the fog lamp, which is also doing great justice. And with the headlight it completes the whole setup. This straight road here, you can see the throw till the end of the road the high beam is reaching, which is decent enough. So on a road where there is more of these yellow lights, street lights, still the visibility of these white lights is there on the road. The lights are not hitting the oncoming traffic, the eye of the opposite driver in the low beam. And the throw is uniform. On this dead end you can see here again. Oh, I'll turn off the headlamp again. This is just the fog. High beam and then low beam. This is again with the headlamp, the complete setup. This is high beam.